This is what 40-mile-per-hour wind looks like. I was gonna make a junkyard video today, but never mind that. Fuck. All that in the air is dust. And it doesn't seem that bad because I'm insulated by this area right here, but I assure you it's pretty fucking bad. Those trees are waving pretty violently. I'm gonna move my truck, I think, once I get up into this video. All in the air is dust. I've lived here 21 years, my whole life. I've never seen it this windy. Driving home, I could barely keep my fucking car on the road. It blew the fucking pool furniture into the fucking pool. Ain't that some shit?